You might have heard that you should build a list for your business, so it must be really important, right? But what does it actually mean to build a list, and how does it work? I will tell you all about it in this video. So, you are an entrepreneur or thinking about becoming one, and you hear all these people talk about building your list and about how the money is in the list. And it sounds very interesting and all, and you might even be intrigued. But what does it really mean, and how do you actually do it to build your list? Well, with a list, digital marketers mean an email list. And with all the options you have nowadays, with online ads, with Google ads, with Meta, with TikTok and other social media ads, you might believe that the concept of an email list is very much outdated. So why bother collecting email addresses to create your own database? Well, let me tell you. Email still is the communication channel that on average offers the highest return on investment, or ROI, which is logical if you think about it. If you put time and effort into collecting email addresses of people in a specific customer profile, you end up with a very focused list with like-minded people who are a perfect fit for your product or service. So here's an example. If we compare email with ads, the average open rate of email is about 22% across industries. And the average click-through rate, so that's the people who click through to your sales page or website, is around 3.6% for email. So if you have little experience with digital marketing and running ads, let me tell you that that is a bit more than if you run an online ad. Google Ads, for instance, has an average click-through rate of 3.17% across industries. So depending on industry, you have 3.17% for ads and you have 3.6% for email. So why bother? You can just show a targeted ad with your offer to your ideal customer profile, right? Depending on your niche, you can easily show people your ad and not go through the trouble of collecting their email addresses. And you are partly right. However, the bad news is that if you show your ad to people matching your buyer persona and they are not ready to buy at that specific moment, you need to pay again and again and again to retarget or to remarket to them. And these people do not know you and your product or your brand at all. So that means that you need to build trust first. Even if the people you target are in market according to Google or Meta, that does not mean that they are willing to buy your product or service. On the other hand, you can use paid ads to reach out to this group of people, offer them something of value in exchange for them sharing their email address or phone number or something else with you. And that is the start of your relationship with them, and the moment where you can start to offer value and build trust. Just imagine you have to do all that from scratch with paid ads. So you really need to build a list. With your list, every time when you reach out to your audience, you do not start from scratch with that specific person, but you start from where you left off the last time when you were in contact. You are higher up in the value pillars. Hi, my name is Joram from Success is Made, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs just like you to launch and exponentially grow their online business with the value pillar system. You can join our community of VP entrepreneurs for free online business tips and advice. So tell me, what do you need an email list for? And what tools do you use or are you planning to use? Share it with me in the comments below. Later on in this video, I will also share the tools that I use myself, and I will also post them in the comments below. So here's the bonus. If you are interested in building your own list, here's the mechanism how to do it. So you first think about what your average customer wants to achieve with your product or service, or what you think they want to achieve with your product or service. If you offer part of that product or sample to your ideal customers, they will identify themselves by taking you up on your free offer. Every person ordering your free ebook or guide will leave their contact details and are on your list. And once they are on your list, you have to nurture that list by continuously giving them value, just like I describe in my book, The Value Pillars. If you don't and you reach out after a long period of time, they might have forgotten why they joined your list in the first place and have moved on to some other interest because you haven't engaged with them enough. And the tools I use to build my free ebooks and lead magnets are Acrobat DC from Adobe, which is not cheap. Another tool is Designrr with double R, and the website is designrr.io. You can find all the links in the description. But if you don't want to invest any money in software at all, you can even turn a Word or a Google Docs document into a PDF by choosing Save As and then PDF. To build your actual pages, like your opt-in page where you offer your free product, I have many videos about that topic. You use Thrive. You can get a great deal by visiting successesmade.com/thrive. And finally, you can collect your email addresses and maintain your list and nurture your list by sending emails by using MailerLite, MailChimp, and many, many other tools. Depending on the platform, your first 1,000 subscribers are completely free. So if this video was helpful for you, please let me know and consider subscribing to Success is Made. I upload a new video on one of my channels every single week. You can also look me up on TikTok with the exact same channel name. Success is Made. And if you sign up for my newsletter, you join the community of VP entrepreneurs and you get free tips and tools to start and grow your online business. So if there is something you want me to cover in a new video about starting your online business, please let me know in the comments. Remember, as an online marketer and entrepreneur, to always work hard, but to stay fit. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you next time. To your success. Bye.